welcome back. Glad you made it back through the B-roll. I'm trying to do something differently with the B-roll and start it off at the beginning, kind of, so that way, y'all can get through that, and that way you all can get right to the business. I'm going to try to see if I can do that at the beginning, so that way, it makes it a little exciting. I'm testing out the new, to do new B rolls and stuff like that. So if y'all see one you like, let me know in the comments below. I'll go ahead, maybe do one video to where I could do like 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 different B rolls and put numbers on them, and y'all can tell me which one you like in the comments below. But anyway, let's get to the video started right here on JJ's PC Builds. It looks like it's a good one, so here we go. It looks like it's ROG CitaDel, was it 15? It's something that Asus, kind of put out there for everybody. It's like a freebie gaming kind of thing, so we're going to go ahead and just flip to it real quick. And guess what? It's not there, but it is there. We're going to go ahead and flip up on it, and then we're going to go to the volume. We're going to put a little bit of the volume in there for y'all. It says this is a shooting range. Let's go to the shooting range. And it looks like a pretty cool game, just to let y'all know. But look. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it takes a while to learn how to play this. But, But when you see that, you just hit the E. And, yeah. See, it's not too hard. All you got to do is, you just got to get used to it. But I'm still pretty new at this. So don't judge me. Y'all don't judge me. Oh, yes, I suck. Oh, look at that. I got the crappiest score of it all. So, just to give you a little taste of what it's all about, just a little taste. I just wanted y'all to see that my PC can game. So I wanted y'all to see that really quick. I mean, I don't think it's got too bad of graphics, I really don't think it's got too bad of graphics, believe it or not. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know what y'all think. Just let me know in the comments below. But, I figure I'd give you a little glimpse of what's going on here with what Asus put out. I think they did an awesome job in, putting this together. You know what I'm saying? So, But you know how that goes. Look at that. That's just wild. You know, that's pretty wild. So you can go back to the main menu. I think that's pretty cool. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the shooting range. But they do have the ROG CitaDel, you know, for Asus. They did it as a freebie download, and it's for Steam. Believe it or not, it's for Steam. You know, check it out. I know Asus, they didn't sponsor this video or anything else, y'all. I just did this to show y'all that my PC can game, and I do suck at some games. So make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what I can do and improve in my gaming. But anyway, if you like the video, like and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, subscribe so that way you can get all the videos, updates, and everything else from YouTube when I do post a video. So that way you see how that goes. I figured, you know, it helps out the channel, and watch all the videos from the beginning to the end. And the more videos you watch, the better off, the more the channel will grow. Because we still got to get to 4,000 hours of watch time. And it takes everybody on YouTube to help us out to get to that point. So it is much appreciated if you watch the videos. But until the next time and the next one, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next video.